The Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus 5G is shaping up as one of Xiaomi's most compelling premium mid-range smartphones for 2026, blending high-end performance with versatile features. It's expected to launch around August 2026 and support 5G connectivity for fast network speeds. The phone is likely to sport a large 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision for bright, smooth visuals ideal for gaming and video streaming. Under the hood, the upcoming model is anticipated to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, delivering flagship-like performance and responsiveness. Photography should be a strong point thanks to a 200MP triple camera setup with advanced stabilization and capable video recording, while a 32MP front camera handles selfies and video chats with clarity. A large 7,500 mAh or around 7,300 mAh battery with fast charging ensures excellent endurance throughout the day, and the device will run Android 16 with HyperOS for a modern, feature-rich software experience. With premium hardware, expansive storage options, and robust connectivity, the Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus 5G is shaping up to be a top choice in the upper mid-range segment.